Rahul Gandhi's comments on Election Commission in Boston has raised the political temperatures in India. Now BJP has hit out at Rahul Gandhi over his comments. Gandhi's remarks drew sharp criticism from BJP MP Sambit Patra, who rubbished the allegations. Patra called Rahul Gandhi a traitor who was disrespecting the country while out on bail. Gandhi will go to jail, Sambit Patra asserted. Leader of the opposition, Rahul Gandhi, earlier launched a sharp attack on the Election Commission, calling it compromised. Addressing members of the Indian diaspora in Boston, the Congress MP questioned the credibility of voting data from the 2019 Maharashtra Assembly elections. Gandhi claimed that more people had voted than the number of adult residents in the state and cited figures that, according to him, defy logic.
In simple terms, more people voted in the Maharashtra Assembly elections than there are adults in Maharashtra. This is a fact. And the Election Commission gave us a figure, voting figure for 5:30 in the evening. And between 5:30 in the evening and 7:30 in the evening, when the polls were supposed to have closed, 65 lakh voters voted. Now, that is physically impossible to happen, right? Because for a voter to vote, it takes approximately 3 minutes. And if you do the math, it would mean that there were lines of voters till 2 o'clock at night voting all night, and this didn't happen. So we asked them, but look, you have videography taking place. That if we ask, they not only refused to give us the videography, they changed the law so that now you're not allowed to ask for the videography. So it's very clear to us that the Election Commission is compromised. It's very clear that there is something very wrong with the system. We've said it. We've said it publicly. I've said it multiple times. I've said it in press conferences.
Gandhi went on to claim that when the Congress demanded videographic evidence, the poll body not only declined but also changed the law, barring such access in the future. The Election Commission, on its part, has earlier dismissed allegations of manipulated rolls and irregularities, terming them unfounded.
राहुल जी अमेरिका में जाके इलेक्शन कमीशन को कॉम्प्रोमाइज्ड बताते हैं। वो कहते हैं कि महाराष्ट्र के चुनाव में जिस प्रकार का मतदान हुआ वो एक तरह से फर्जीवाड़ा था। महाराष्ट्र में भारतीय जनता पार्टी को और उनके अलाइज को जीतना नहीं था और कहीं ना कहीं इलेक्शन कमीशन ने हमारे साथ समझौता किया। मैं राहुल जी से पूछना चाहता हूं, राहुल जी, झारखंड भी तो उसी समय चुनाव हुआ था। क्या आपने इलेक्शन कमीशन के साथ झारखंड में समझौता किया था? आप एक बार सोरेन जी से पूछिए, क्या उन्होंने समझौता किया था इलेक्शन कमीशन से? प्रियंका वाड्रा उसी चुनाव में जो बाई इलेक्शन हुए थे, उसी समय उसी कालखंड में जो बाई इलेक्शन हुए थे, उस बाई इलेक्शन में वो जीत के सदन में आई पैलेस्टाइन का बैग टांग करके। आप बताइए, क्या प्रियंका वाड्रा ने रॉबर्ट वाड्रा की मध्यस्थता से इलेक्शन कमीशन के साथ कोई कॉम्प्रोमाइज किया तभी उसकी जीत हुई, या वो अपने मेहनत पर जीत कर आई? आप ये बताइए कि 240 सीट जब भारतीय जनता पार्टी को विगत लोकसभा 2024 के लोकसभा में जब हमें 240 सीट और आपको 99 सीट मिली, तो आपने पूरे देश में और सदन में भी डिंडोरा पीटा कि ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी की हार है और ये कांग्रेस पार्टी की जीत है। तो वॉज द इलेक्शन कमीशन कॉम्प्रोमाइज देन? आपने ये जो जश्न मनाया था, क्या हम कॉम्प्रोमाइज थे?